buddy. Oh, hey, by the way, I actually got one.
Oh, look at him!
Yeah, I texted you about getting one after I got one because I was so hyped on it. And,
Why didn't you tell me?
because it was so supposed to be this. This was the moment.
Oh my gosh! Wait, let me. Okay, hold on. We're not driving. Let me see. Okay, let me see it.
So it's from Futurama.
Oh.
It's the time paradox code. It's sends you back in time and shit.
That looks
But-
really cool, actually.
Cause like I fucking love Futurama, but I don't want to get like Bender's face on me.
Yeah, that's
So
true.
this is a little bit like that. Man.
Do you like it? Did you
Also-
see
I like it. It looks
I'm
really cool.
slowly becoming more robot.
Nice. Look at that.
Yo, this looks like fucking almost identical to Friend's place.
Really?
Yeah.
It looks exactly like the photos. And clean.
Friend's place, but like the reference being a little bigger.
But the cool thing is in March, it was our 2-year anniversary. So we'd been together for 2 years in March. I've been with that individual for 2 years.
Blessed.
It's a blessing in disguise, okay?
What do you mean disguise?
Alright, let's go. Alright. That's where we are. Check it. I don't know what it's called. What's this place called? The Chinese Theater?
It says it right there.
Where? Oh, Chinese. Should I actually have good shows here?
This is where the Oscars were.
That's where the Oscars were?
This year.
Yeah, I got a $5 mixtape. Like, who's gonna be able to say that I got the same mixtape as me? Not that many people, because they're smart.
I was gonna say,
Because they're smart.
I'm such a Taurus.
Hey, yeah. I just need my hat.
You already lost.
I have too many things in my pocket.
Can I try?
I want to try again. Give me a second. Give me a second.
There we go. It gets faster. See, you have to be able to jump high. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jaime. Happy birthday to you and many more. It's your birthday. He's 20 years old.
I'm not gonna lie, this llama smells like ass.
Really?
Smell him. He smells like
Ah.
a dog.
Because do you imagine all the people who've touched him? Huh. I'm gonna tell Shay.
What are you gonna tell him? You're gonna be dead.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go,
getting Villa.
Yeah.
The Villa is his house. The museum is where we're going. There's Shay. There's Shay's friend in the back.
Here, close your eyes and look at the sun.
So,
Close your eyes.
it's really cool. It's really nice. Look at it. Look at these bozos. Look at these bozos.
I feel like you're just gonna walk away.
Is it easier to see?
That's cool weather.
It's got cheese. Oh wow. So you have to hold that down. Do that?
To like see it.
Ready?
2, 1, go.
Oh, there it is.
God.
I can pull it up. I think I have it somewhere on my phone where she throws a quarter. She's like, I'm gonna throw this into the water. And
It
she's
was
like,
also not even in like one that you're supposed to throw.
Yeah.
It was at a gym.
and she throws it and it just drops.
I feel like I'm gonna miss.
You missed it. Of course you missed it.
It's because I didn't have a wish. Okay, round 2. Ready? I'm just gonna drop. Where'd it go?
It went in the water.
Where?
Oh, where are we at?
We're at Santa Monica Pier.
Hanging out, man. You gotta enjoy the view. It's just beautiful. It's beautiful. That's beautiful.
Okay, keep this part. Pistachio, 2 raspberries. How many is that? 4. The black.
Put it back, right?
Yeah, back. And what other one do you want, love?
I don't care. I don't know.
How many do I have right now? 5? 5? And then we'll do another passion fruit. That's all. Thank you. It almost looks like black and white.
Jaime was posing for you.
Oh, love, do it again. Doesn't it? Like, look at it. It looks black and white.
Yeah.
Do a little. Where'd he go? Oh, it's over there.
Looks like they're mirrors.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. Alright, it's photo time.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, dance through the